Everybody's got to believe in something. I believe I'll have another drink. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. And that was another great cocktail libation quote from the quintessential W.C. Fields. But enough of that anyway. Today, as you can see behind me, we will continue the quest to find the best classic shot ever with more from the shot shootout. We've done 6 so far, I think, and we've had some winners in some of them. So now is the perfect time. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Go back. I'll leave a link. You can watch the whole shootout and see where we stand. And make sure you, if you are subscribed, turn on notifications. That way, that bell will ring whenever. Well, a bell won't ring. You ring the bell, and you'll get notifications whenever the bar is open. You can come see what we're doing, shootout or anything else. So we have a few more in here. We got a couple more matchups to go here, and so let's not waste time, as this is very important. I picked 2 right out, so these might be the 2. Very exciting stuff indeed. So our first one for today is, oh wow, the ZIPPERHEAD. I'm not 100% sure if I remember what that one is, but we shall see. And the ZIPPERHEAD will go up against, oh, this is going to be another one of those ones I'm going to hate life. The Peppermint Patty. Now, here's the thing. Is the Peppermint Patty, and you let me know what you think down below in the comments, is the Peppermint Patty named after the candy, or is it named after the girl from the Peanuts? I'm not really sure. But regardless, we have 2 for today. So let me get set up for those and we'll get started. So here's the deal. This is going to be another one of those things where I'm going to make 2 shots and they don't really go together. But for you, I'm going to do it. I'm going to start with the ZIPPERHEAD because it's pretty easy. And it's just 2 things. I probably shouldn't have put it in there. No, I'm going to put it in this one so you can see what I'm doing. It's your favorite vodka, and it's just equal amounts. Your favorite vodka, and I mean, there's not really much to this. It's your favorite vodka and then just some raspberry schnapps, or raspberry liqueur. Liqueur. It's raspberry liqueur. And then, simply enough, I hope that seals. Here we go, and hopefully I don't make a mess. And simple as you please. Just like that, number 1 today in the countdown is the ZIPPERHEAD. Okay, next up is, now the Peppermint Patty is one of those ones that you can do a ton of different ways. And just like we did in the Clash, if the Peppermint Patty moves on, we will try a couple different variations. Some are mixed, some are layered, some have more liquors, some have less liquors. But the one I'm going to do today is pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and pardon my butt if you're looking at my butt. And it's just a couple of things. It is some light creme de cacao. That's just chocolate liqueur. Lid. And then an equal part of peppermint schnapps. And then finally some Irish cream. Now I want to know, you can tell me in the comments, because I always welcome your input to see what's going on here. Do you like these competitions? I do. I think they're fun. It kind of harkens me back to the days of yore, as it were. So in the comments down there, I want you to tell me if you enjoy these crazy competitions that we do. And then we dance. And you can also tell me, because we need to know such things, like I said, there are multiple ways to make this drink. What is your favorite way? If this is not the recipe you use, what is the recipe you use? Do you prefer them layered? Do you prefer them mixed? Do you prefer them chilled? Do you prefer them just room temp? You tell me. And we'll see as things progress which way we go. Because that's very important stuff. Because you guys are just as much a part of this whole operation as I am, or Lisa, or anybody who comes and hangs out with us. So there's the second of our drinks today in the old shot shootout to determine the best of the classic shots from my days of yore, the Peppermint Patty. So here's our two drinks for today's matchup in the shot shoot. Is that what it's called? Yes, shot shootout. I was going to say classic something, but the shot shootout, the Zipperhead and the Peppermint Patty. Now the Zipperhead's pretty straightforward, like I said. It's just two things: raspberry liqueur and vodka. Peppermint Patty, a little more variation. Today's variation: light creme de cacao, peppermint schnapps, Irish cream. Again, if this one moves on, if you that could be a reason why you vote for this one, because you like variation. You never know what you're going to get. So let's see how we did, who's going to win, how they taste. It's time for a ready drink. I'm going to try this one first because I already kind of have this flavor going, because this is my drink today. Our berry patch is going crazy, so I just made myself a little blackberry bourbon lemonade. To drink while I'm making drinks. So let's try this one. Cheers to the shootout. Cheers to you guys. Thanks for stopping by today. I mean, it's good. Not really much to it. It's fruity, it's sweet. It's got a little bite from the vodka. It's good. I mean, try it for yourself. Go out to your favorite watering hole and order one up. Two things. You don't even have to write it down. Vodka and raspberry liqueur. I mean, we use the Raz. You could use Chambord. Although, yeah, Chambord's a liqueur. It's not a schnapps. And then, actually, you know what? I need some water. Just get a little bit of that taste out of my mouth. So peppermint patty, I'm assuming since it's got peppermint in it, it's more named after the candy than the cartoon. But if you know, let me know. I'm sure others are curious. Cheers. Quasi. It kind of does taste like the candy. It's not as chocolatey as the candy, definitely is minty. But it's good too. I guess it all depends on what you're in the mood. Are you in for something like rich and creamy, or are you in for something fruity with a pop? So it's all up to you now. Check it. If you're going to vote, I mean, this one is, excuse me, this one is easy. Peppermint schnapps, white cream to cacao, Irish cream. Any bartender can make it because you're going to tell them it's all equal amounts. Same thing for here, raspberry liqueur, vodka, equal amounts. Make them, try them, not back to back like I did because they don't really go together. Although some people say, you know, chocolate and raspberry go together. I'm not one of those guys necessarily. But that's it. Simple, easy. See what we're going to do. Let me know. Come back, hang out with us. And if it's your first time, welcome. You got to hang out with us. We have a good time. We make drinks. We talk about stuff. We now have started a monthly live.
Alive. It's alive. It's alive.
Where we just kind of carry on and have a good time. And they've been successful. So like the video, share it. If you know, if you just came and visited us for the first time today, there's one of these seats here I reserved for you so you can come and hang out with us. And be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, share the video, send it to someone else that you know might like this kind of craziness, and we can grow our little family and our clientele and our patronage here to the underground and have a good time. So until we're together again, right here at the Grand Pub Underground, remember, I will say the seat at the bar for you.